Howdy there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers again with you with the final part of my three-part lesson series on More Than Words by Extreme. Okay, so in part 2 we finished off with the second part where it finished with a single strum on the A minor 7th and a single strum on the D 7th, and then we go into the final part of the song, right, which is back to the 4-finger G chord. And it's the same sequence that you started the whole song off with, okay? Bottom E string, thumb, pluck the top 3 strings together, slap, okay? Then we play the 2nd fret on the 5th string, along with the top 3 strings all together. So 4 strings, then you play the top 3 strings on their own, and a slap. So and just repeat that whole thing twice, okay? Okay, and then we go into your thumb plays an open E string, and then we form that D with F sharp in the bass chord that we used in the second part. First finger playing the 2nd fret of the bottom E string. Second finger is playing the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and my pinky is playing the 3rd fret of the B string, the 2nd string. And I'm plucking 4 strings together, the bottom E string with the thumb, and the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with my other 3 fingers. All 4 strings together. And then we end up on an E minor, playing the bottom E string and the top 3 strings together twice. Okay, so far we've got this. Okay, so slowly. Okay, and then what we do there after that is a B minor 7th. After the E minor twice, we play a B minor twice, B minor 7th twice. So B minor chord, 2nd fret bar, pinky off. Okay, and we're playing the 5th string on the 2nd fret and the top 3 strings all together, 4 strings plucked together. So E minor twice, B minor 7th twice, and then we play the C chord. We play the bottom E string, we play the 5th string on the 3rd fret of the straightforward C chord, 3rd fret, 5th string, play that with your thumb, and then pluck the top 3 strings and slap. Okay, so now we've got this. Let's do that from the end of the second part. Okay, I'll play that again very slowly. Right, and then we go. Right, so after we come out of that, let's do that again. Sorry. Let me get into it. I've lost its thread here. Right, so when you come out of that, we do another. We do da 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 da. So 4 together, da da on the C chord, da da da, and then top 3 strings on their own, slap. Okay, got that? So coming out of that, got that? Right, So let's do that whole thing up to that point. Now we do a little rundown. C, again it's those 4 notes, it's 3rd on the 5th along with the top 3 strings, all 4 strings together, and then we go down to an E minor 7th shape, 2nd on the 5th string, and 3rd, pinky's playing the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and I'm plucking the 5th string with my thumb, 2nd fret, and the top 3 strings with my other 3 fingers as usual, from the C, right, and I'm using my 2nd finger for that 5th string on 2nd fret and pinky 3rd fret. So C, 4-finger pinch, and then the 4-finger pinch on E minor 7th to the A minor 7th, and another one of those, another slap. So it goes a C, and then a slap on the A minor 7th. Okay, so let's get that far. Right. And another one of those A minor 7ths with pinky on the top E string, 3rd fret. Pluck all 4 strings, open 5th string, thumb, top 3 strings with the fingers, once with pinky on, once with pinky off, and then the D7th, 4th string open, D7th, and then a slap. So thump, pluck, slap, and then we do it all over again, the whole thing again. Apart from the very end is different. Okay, so let's go from the beginning of this bit. So from the beginning of the second bit, end of the second bit rather, second lesson. So here we go. That's it. That's the 3rd part added to the other 2. Okay, so let's just go through that whole thing. So the second time round is exactly the same, except when you get to the C, C to the E minor 7th, A minor 7, D minor, D7th strum, stop, and then back to the G, and we start another verse or whatever. Okay, I can't remember what the arrangement is now, but those are the 3 parts of the song. Okay, they've been now covered. So let's do that whole bit again. So coming out of the second half, second lesson. There you have it, boys and girls. It's the whole 3 parts. So enjoy those and hopefully put them together and make up the whole song. Thanks very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.